Let's learn about division now. The number which is being divided is called dividend. The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. The result when divisor is dividing dividend is the quotient, and when we solve it and something is left, then the leftover is called the remainder. These are some important terms to remember for the division. Now suppose you want to divide 9 by 4. So we have to look for a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is a number which is 4 times something. Now 4 times 1 is 4, so we have to look for a number which is less than or equal to 9. 4 times 2 is 8. Almost there. 9 and 8, there is a difference of 1. Now 4 times 3 gives you 12. Now this 12 is bigger than 9 and 8 is less than 9. So we are looking for a number which is less than 9 and is a multiple of 4. So 8 solves our purpose. This 8 is written here, this 2 is written here, and this 4 is already existing there. So all the parts of this multiplication has been used. Then we subtract both of them. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. So the result of 9 divided by 4 equals 2 quotient and remainder 1. This is how we divide a single digit dividend by single digit divisor. Let's see some more example for division. Suppose we have 25 being divided by 5. Now we have to look for a multiple of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 20. 5 times 5 25. Now this is a number which is exactly equal to 25. We were looking for a number which is either 25 or less than 25, and the next multiple of 5 should be bigger than the given number. So this solves our purpose. So one of the 5 is written here, the other 5 is the quotient, 25 is written here. When I subtract both of them, the result is 0. It means when you divide 25 by 5, it gets divided completely and the quotient is 5. Instead of 25, if we have, say, another number, suppose 27. So when we divide this 27 by 5, now we already have all the multiples of 5. Let's check what is next to it. 5 times 6 is 30. So this 30 is bigger than 5. 25 is the required number which solves our purpose. So 25 is written over here times 5 is here. If I subtract both of them, 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So when we divide 27 by 5, remainder is 2, quotient is 5, 5 remainder 2. This is how we divide a 2-digit dividend by a divisor. Suppose we have a 3-digit number. Now to go for a 3-digit number, suppose we have this 782. This is divided by 7. When we divide a large number by some number, we divide it one by one. We check for the first number. Now here the first number is exactly 7. Instead of 782, if our quotient is 182. We'll take counter example so that the division process is more clear. Now 7 divided this first number, we will divide the first number first. So this first number is 7. We'll look for the table of 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 is the required number. So 7 times. 7 times is here. 1 time is here. This 7 is here. The resultant is written over here. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next is we bring this 8 down and we have 8 over here. If I check the next multiple of 7, it is 14, which is bigger than 8. So 7 solves our purpose. So this 7 is again written over here. This value is written over here and the 7 is already there. Again we subtract them. 8 minus 7 is 1. You bring another value 2 down and you have 12 over here. 7 times 2 is still 14. So this 7 is the required number. Again we write this result 7 here, 1 is written over here. We subtract them. 12 minus 7 is 5. So 782 divided by 7 equals 111 and remainder 5. Similarly, if we have 182 divided by 7. Now because this 1, if you look at this 1 is smaller than 7. We cannot get anything less than 7 for the first multiple. So we have to consider 18. Now 7 times 2 is 14. Let's check 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. This 21 is bigger than 18. So 14 solves a purpose. This 14 is written here. 7 times 2. So 2 is written here. 7 is already there. We subtract both of them. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next what we do is we bring this 2 down. We have 42 over here. Now we have to check other multiples of 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 gives you 35. Almost there. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 is the required number. We'll stop here. We will not consider any other multiple. 7 times 6 is 42. So this 7 is here times 6 is 42. The resultant here. Subtract both of them. The result is 0 again. So 182 divided by 7 gives you 26 as the answer.